Papayas are rich in vitamin C and A, as well as calcium. You can prepare juice, jams, desserts, and fruit salads with these nutritious fruits. When you grow papayas, you can choose from golden or red varieties. Knowing when papayas are ripe is essential for the most flavorful fruits. Today's video will discuss how to tell when papaya is ripe. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. How to know if papayas are ripe? You harvest papayas when you see the first sign of yellow on the skin. However, this isn't when the papaya is ripe. Whether you grow your own papaya or you want to know how to select ripe papaya from the grocery store, the following tips can help you with your selection. Number 1. Color. Check the color of your papaya. If you are picking papaya, choose the green, hard ones. This eliminates bruising when you pick them and carry them in a container. If you are buying papaya at the store, select the ones that have some green and yellow. Once you bring them home, you will ripen them at room temperature until they are ready to eat. Number 2. Examine stem. Take a look at the end of the papaya where the stem is located. If the ring is green, don't pick it yet because it won't ripen. If there is a yellow ring around the stem area, then your papaya will ripen after you pick it. Number 3. Look at the skin. When selecting your papaya, check for any bruised or indented areas. Discard these papayas if they are in your yard and don't select them for the store. Wrinkled skin is okay and it won't affect the flavor of the papaya. Number 4. Press the skin. When you press your finger on the skin, it should be soft on ripe papaya. Your papaya is not ready to eat if the skin is still hard. Soft and mushy skin means that the fruit is overripe. Number 5. Smell the fruit. If your papaya is ripe, it will smell sweet. Unripe papaya has no scent. On the other hand, a strong, woolly sweet odor means your papaya is overripe. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.